This is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, the premium Galaxy phone that doesn't cost $1,300. If you want the best Samsung experience without going all the way to ultra territory, this is the one you're looking at. You've got 6 colors to choose from: cobalt violet, white, black, sky blue, and 2 Samsung.com exclusives: silver shadow and pink gold. And honestly, that pink gold looks way better in person than it has any right to. The display is a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus panel running at up to 120 Hz. It pushes up to 2,600 nits of brightness, so you're covered even in direct sunlight. This screen is simply hard to fault. The in-screen fingerprint sensor is also fast and consistent. No surprises there. Samsung has been doing this well for years, and the S26 Plus keeps that streak going. Around back, you've got 3 cameras: a 50-megapixel primary shooter, a 12-megapixel ultrawide, and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto that can push all the way to 30x with digital processing. Here's where things get a little uncomfortable, though. This phone is $1,100. The iPhone 17 Pro at the same price has a periscope telephoto lens. The Pixel 10 Pro at $1,000 has one too. Samsung left it out here, and at this price point, that is a real miss. On the inside, though, Samsung delivered. You're getting the Snapdragon Elite Gen 5, the most powerful chip in any Android phone right now. That means a 19% faster CPU, a 39% boost in the AI processor, and a 24% GPU improvement for gaming and graphics. With a big 6.7-inch display paired to this chip, this phone is a genuinely great gaming device. Smooth, responsive, and built to handle anything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. The battery comes in at 4,900 milliamp hours. Wired charging tops out at 45 watts and wireless at 20 watts. You're looking at all-day battery life with fast recovery when you need it. The same system also flags potential scam calls during the conversation. For a parent or grandparent who might be vulnerable, this feature alone could be worth the phone. The Gallery app also got a major AI upgrade, letting you erase objects, swap backgrounds, and even pull clothing from one photo to another. It is genuinely impressive stuff. The line between a real memory and an edited one is getting blurry fast, but as a creative tool, it's hard to argue with. For AI assistants, you now have 3 choices: Bixby, Gemini, and the newly added Perplexity. And Samsung is backing all of this with 7 years of security and software updates, which helps keep your resale value strong. So that's the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. Incredible display, the best Android chip on the market, strong battery life, and some genuinely useful AI. The only real sore spot is that missing periscope lens at this price. But if camera zoom isn't your priority, this is one of the best phones Samsung has ever made. Hit subscribe for the full in-depth review and camera tests coming very soon.